Are we painting or drawing?
Drawing. Pick your color.
Red. I want to color too. You want red?
You pick a color too, Trent.
Purple. And then you keep it.
We're gonna make 3 lines from this side to somewhere on the other side.
This side?
Make sure it goes from one end to the other end, Trent. Make it go all the way to the end and all the way to this end.
Like this?
Yeah, do one more. Okay, Trent. Bring yours, make it go all the way over to here.
I did it.
Okay, good job. Okay, now we're gonna put polka dots all down your lines, pretty far apart. This is called Zentangle.
Zentangle.
Right. Okay, now start with one of your dots, and then we're gonna make. I'm gonna do. Wait just a second. Watch me first. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one line to this one line like this, and then I just keep following those lines to the thing. I'm gonna do it 3 times on each side.
Look at my belly.
Okay, ready? Do yours. Do from that one to that one. Good job, Trent. You gotta start from the polka dot and go to the polka dot.
I did. Inside. Oh, look. Outside or inside or outside?
There you go. Perfect.
I'm going to do my watermelon.
Yeah, see, go.
Okay.
Okay, now this part's really fun. Let me show you.
I want to.
Well, I'll just do this one for you.
I want to.
Okay, now I'm going to draw another line, and it's going to pretend like it goes through all of these cool things. And I'm going to put some more polka dots on here.
May I do the rest?
Okay, now on these, like this one, go to that line and stop. And then go 1. And then now you do from this way, like that.